Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Do you have trouble finding the right words in daily conversations? Don't worry. Today, you will learn 75 essential English phrases that native speakers use every day. These phrases will help you sound more natural and confident when speaking English. So stay until the end and practice with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's get started.
Good morning. Good morning. We say this in the morning to greet someone. Good morning. How are you? How are you? This is a common way to ask how someone is feeling. How are you? I'm good. Thanks. I'm good. Thanks. This is a simple way to answer, how are you? I'm good. Thanks. What's your name? What's your name? We use this question to ask for someone's name. What's your name? My name is Anna. My name is Anna. Say this when you introduce yourself. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. We say this when we meet someone for the first time. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? Use this question to ask about someone's country or city. Where are you from? I'm from England. I'm from England. Say this when telling someone where you live. I'm from England. How old are you? How old are you? A question to ask someone's age. How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. Use this to say your age. I am 25 years old. Excuse me. Excuse me. Say this to get someone's attention politely. Excuse me. Can you help me? Can you help me? Ask this when you need assistance. Can you help me? What time is it? What time is it? Use this to ask for the time. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. And this is how we say the time. It's 3 o'clock. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? A polite way to ask where the restroom is. Where is the bathroom? Can I have a coffee? Can I have a coffee?
Use this phrase when ordering at a cafe.
Can I have a coffee?
How much is this? How much is this? Say this to ask for the price of something. How much is this? That's too expensive. That's too expensive. Use this when something costs too much. That's too expensive. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? A way to ask if someone understands English. Do you speak English? I don't understand. I don't understand. Say this when you don't know the meaning of something. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Ask this when you need to hear something again. Can you repeat that, please? Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Say this if someone is talking too fast. Please speak slowly. What does this mean? What does this mean? Use this question to ask for the meaning of a word. What does this mean? I'm learning English. I'm learning English. Say this to let people know you are studying English. I'm learning English. What do you do? What do you do? A way to ask about someone's job. What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. A common answer to, what do you do? I am a student. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. Use this to tell someone your job. I work as a teacher. I have a question. I have a question. Use this when you want to ask something. I have a question. Can you show me? Can you show me? Say this when you need someone to demonstrate something. Can you show me? I like it. I like it. Say this when you enjoy something. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. And use this when you don't enjoy something. I don't like it. That's great. That's great. Say this when something is really good. That's great. That's terrible. That's terrible. Use this when something is really bad. That's terrible. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Say this when you want to eat something. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Use this when you want to drink something. I'm thirsty. It's cold today. It's cold today. Use this when the weather is cold. It's cold today. It's hot today. It's hot today. Say this when the weather is very warm. It's hot today. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Use this to ask someone to wait. Wait a minute. Be careful. Be careful. Say this when you want someone to stay safe. Be careful. Good luck. Good luck. A nice way to wish someone success. Good luck. Congratulations. Congratulations. Use this to celebrate good news. Congratulations. Call me later. Call me later. Use this when you want someone to phone you. Call me later. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? A polite way to ask if you can sit in a place. Can I sit here? Can I get this to go? Can I get this to go? Use this to ask for takeout food at a restaurant. Can I get this to go? Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? A polite way to ask for the menu at a restaurant or cafe. Can I see the menu, please? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Ask this when you need to know about payment options. Do you accept credit cards? I'm just looking, thanks. I'm just looking, thanks. Use this when you are just browsing in a store. I'm just looking, thanks. How do you spell that? How do you spell that? Use this to ask for the spelling of a word. How do you spell that? How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station? Use this when you need to know the direction to the train station. How do I get to the train station? See you later. See you later. A casual way to say goodbye. See you later. Take care. Take care. Use this to wish someone well when they leave. Take care. If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with all your friends. See you in the next video.